I once knew a woman named Evelyn, but my friend, I never truly heard her. She was a woman of quiet strength, always listening, always observing. But in moments when she should have spoken, she remained silent. As a child, she watched unfairness unfold before her eyes, but she feared speaking up. As she grew, opportunities knocked, but she kept her thoughts locked away, doubting whether she was worthy. And as the years passed, she endured pain in silence, mistaking it for patience, believing that silence was the price of peace. One evening, she sat alone in her small home, a letter trembling in her hands. A job offer, one she had once dreamed of, but never applied for. Not because she wasn't capable, but because she never dared to ask. She sighed, her reflection staring back at her from the darkened window. She thought of the friendships she lost, the love she never fought for, the ideas she kept hidden. She had spent her life waiting for the right moment, only to realize that silence had never protected her. It had only built a prison around her. And then, she did something she had never done before. She spoke, not in a whisper, but in a voice strong and certain. She made a call she had been afraid to make. She wrote words she had been afraid to share. She said no to what no longer served her, and when she finally spoke, the world listened. How many times have you swallowed your words waiting for the right moment? How many chances have you let slip away because you feared what others might think? We are not meant to live in silence. Our words, our voices, they shape our world. Speak your truth. Stand for what matters. Because in the end, the only thing worse than saying the wrong thing is saying nothing at all. And so, my friend, I ask you, before it's too late, what will you say?